Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account, money that was made while you were sleeping. Imagine having a business that runs itself, clients coming in without you having to lift a finger, and investments that grow even when the market is down. This isn't some fantasy. This is what's happening right now, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword. It's the biggest financial revolution of our time, and it's creating new opportunities for regular people to make money faster than ever before. The question is, will you take advantage of it, or will you wait until it's too late? Because right now, AI is already making millionaires. But here's the thing, most people think AI is only for tech geniuses, coders, or big corporations. That couldn't be further from the truth. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways you can use AI to make money starting today, even if you have zero experience. So if you're ready to build wealth, pay close attention, because this is going to change the way you think about making money forever. Let's get into it. The first way to make money with AI is freelancing. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any special skills. But here's the secret. AI can do most of the work for you. There are thousands of businesses out there looking for content creators, designers, and video editors. And guess what? AI tools can generate that content in minutes. Let me tell you about Mark, a regular guy who was struggling to find a side hustle. He found out about AI-powered freelancing and decided to try it. He went on Fiverr and listed a gig for writing blog posts. But instead of writing them himself, he used ChatGPT to do the work. Within a week, he got his first client, then another, then another. Within 3 months, he was making over $5,000 a month, all by letting AI do the heavy lifting. And it's not just writing. Here are 3 AI-powered freelance services you can start offering today. AI content writing. Businesses need blog posts, ad copy, and email newsletters. You can use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate these in minutes and sell them for top dollar. AI graphic design. AI tools like Midjourney and Dolly can create stunning logos, book covers, and marketing materials that you can sell on Upwork or Freelancer. AI video editing. Runway AI and Pickle Labs allow you to create professional videos in seconds, and businesses are willing to pay thousands for AI-generated content. Right now, there are people making 6 figures a year by simply using these AI tools to deliver high-quality work. So if you want a fast way to start making money with AI, freelancing is one of the best ways to do it. Now, let's move on to the second way I can make you money -commerce. Think about this. What if you could sell products online without ever touching inventory, without handling customer service, and without even spending hours on marketing? That's exactly what AI-powered e-commerce allows you to do. Meet Sarah. She always wanted to start an online store but didn't know where to begin. She found out about AI-powered dropshipping and used an AI tool called Ecom Hunt to find trending products. She launched a simple Shopify store, used ChatGPT to write her product descriptions, and let an AI ad optimizer run her Facebook ads. In her first month, she made $1,000. By month 3, she was doing over $10,000 in sales. Here's how AI is making online business easier than ever. AI product research. Tools like Trend analyze millions of products and tell you which ones are trending, so you never waste money selling the wrong items. AI advertising. Instead of spending hours testing ads, AI-powered ad managers like Azumo optimize your Facebook and Google ads automatically. AI chatbots. Instead of hiring customer service agents, AI bots like ManyHat handle customer support, saving you time and money. E-commerce is one of the best ways to build passive income, and AI is making it easier than ever. Now, let's talk about the third way I can make you money investing. Most people struggle with investing because they don't know when to buy, when to sell, or which stocks to choose. But AI has changed the game. Meet James. He always wanted to invest but was afraid of making the wrong decisions. Then he discovered AI-powered trading bots. He started using Trade Ideas, an AI stock analysis tool, and followed its recommendations. In 6 months, his portfolio was up 20% while the average investor was barely breaking even. AI is helping people make smarter investment decisions every day. Here are 3 ways AI can help you build wealth through investing. AI stock trading. AI-powered platforms like Ticker analyze stock trends and predict price movements with impressive accuracy. AI crypto trading. Tools like 3 and Pionex allow you to automate crypto trades based on AI signals, so you can make money even while you sleep. AI real estate investing. AI tools now analyze properties, predict market trends, and help real estate investors find undervalued deals before the competition does. If you want to invest but don't know where to start, AI can give you a huge advantage over the average investor. Now, let's move on to the fourth way AI can make you money: content creation. Think about it. YouTube, TikTok, blogging, people are making millions just by creating content. But what if you don't have time to film videos, edit, or write articles? That's where AI comes in. Right now, people are using AI to create entire YouTube channels without showing their face and making thousands per month. Here's how AI can help you create content and make money. AI video creation. Tools like Synthesia and Picture AI generate entire YouTube videos with AI avatars and voiceovers. AI voiceovers. Instead of hiring expensive voice actors, AI-generated voices from Eleven Labs sound realistic and professional. AI blog writing. AI tools can write entire blog posts that you can monetize with ads and affiliate marketing. Right now, people are running automated content businesses powered by AI and making serious money. Finally, let's talk about the fifth and most passive way I can make you money: selling AI-generated digital products. Meet Kevin. He wanted a side hustle but didn't want to deal with customers. So he used ChatGPT to write an ebook and published it on Amazon. That ebook now makes him $500 per month without him doing anything. And you can do the same. AI-generated ebooks. Use ChatGPT to write and sell ebooks on Kindle or Gumroad. AI design printables. Sell AI-generated coloring books, planners, or templates on Etsy. AI stock photos. Create AI-generated images with Midjourney and sell them on Shutterstock. This is true passive income, where AI does the work, and you collect the profits. So let's recap. Here are the 5 best ways AI can make you money right now. Freelancing with AI tools. Starting an AI-powered e-commerce store. Investing smarter with AI trading and analysis. Automating content creation for passive income. Selling AI-generated digital products. The AI revolution is happening. The only question is, will you take action, or will you let this opportunity pass you by? This is Wealth Mindset, and I'll see you in the next one.